How to hide all photos on Facebook from public. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to hide all your Facebook photos from the public so that only you and your friends can see them. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, simply tap on the profile icon which can be seen in the top left side of the screen. And now here, once you are in your profile section, just tap on the three dot icon which can be seen beside the edit profile button. And now from here, you simply have to tap on activity log. And now here, once you're inside the activity log, simply scroll down and tap on your Facebook activity. And after that, you simply have to scroll down and tap on manage post option. And now here, once you are in this section, now this is where you can manage all your posts on Facebook. So here you simply have to tap on filters at the top, and from there simply select categories, and after that simply tap on your post photos and videos. And now here, once you are in this section, it will show you the list of all the posts and photos that you have posted. So from here, you simply have to select all here. And once you're done selecting all, you simply have to tap on the three dot icon, which can be seen in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here from the pop-up menu, simply tap on change audience. And after that, simply change your audience to only me. And here, once you're done with it, it will convert all your post photos and videos to private. So here, with that, you can only see your photos, posts, and videos. Or here, if you want, you can change your audience to only friends also. So here, only friends and you can see your photos. And that's it. That's how you can hide all photos on Facebook from public. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.